Afternoon, people. This is Sam from South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 125 East Fence. Used to be a big hive, had supers on and everything else, but then they fell back for some reason. So we're going to go in and now and look, see what they got. We got the smoker, and I'm tying all the hives down for this storm that we got coming. We don't know if it's going to cause damage or not, but that last one kind of got me by surprise. We're getting a little wind today. I don't know if it's from the storm or just because we're here. Okay, last time we were in here, my magic marker disappeared. I have no idea. Not many bees up at the top. Take their feeder off. No bugs. No bugs in there. No bugs out there. Okay. See what we got here. Piece of pollen. Don't appear to be much. It's a good frame for honey. Nothing's on it. No bugs. There we go. Dragonfly had one of my bees in its mouth. This doesn't now. That's one of the bad things we've had this year around here is dragonflies. There's nothing in this frame. Not even a bug. It has a little place that needs to be cut off though. One gone. There it is. Put it back in the hive. This one here feels like we got some nectar. Yep. That's the whole side there is filled up with nectar. Got a little nectar on the other side. This next one here has some brood on it. I don't know if it's good brood or bad brood, but it's got brood. See the eggs, but it's got brood on it, so we're going to wait and see what happens. Maybe they're just not hatched yet. Well, we know they're not hatched, but maybe they're just waiting to be hatched. That's more of a positive way. This one here has about the same thing. It has a little larvae. Side there has a little nectar. Not much in the top. This is mostly drone drone frame. A good honey frame. Nothing on either side. This one has a little bit. This one has nothing. Okay, so we've gone through that box. see what we got in the next box. We'll straighten it up later. Got a pretty good little bit of bees there. Give a little smoke, let them know I'm here. This one at times, depends on what time it is, they get a little upset. This one has some nectar. This side here has some nectar, some pollen, some larvae. Probably some eggs. Take this one out. Put it up over here by the side. Put this one in there. That way they'll be okay. Okay, this is a frame that is a honey frame, and they put brood in the bottom. That's that. They added a 3-inch strip on the bottom. And what I do with that most of the time and why I do that, we have a video. Been a while. Something like, what do I do with a 3-inch strip? Y'all can watch old videos. This one here has larvae, little brood. Here has little brood, white queen. Another white queen right there. And I think we're going to take her. Put her right there. That's our new home. This one here is loaded with brood. There's a little honey, a little nectar. Bottom still clean. Get the bees off. And that's them. Same thing on both sides, filled up. This one here. Loaded up with eggs, larvae, little brood. Same thing on that side. That one loaded up on your right hand side bottom. It has brood in there, or brood in there, on there. The rest of it's got eggs and larvae where the bees have hatched. I don't know where they went. we could take that one. See what we got over here. Okay, that one. I'll take that and that one. Put this one in there. Leave that one there. Take this one out. Put that one in. Got all that over there. Put this one here so they can quit spinning. Now we need that at the bottom. Okay, I understand. Can y'all see? There we go. Sorry about that, y'all. Could put it back together for you, but not. The queen is over in this box. One here has some pollen, some nectar. That's all I see in that one. Same thing in that one. This one's grown brood frames. Put honey in. Next one's the same way. So we're going to take all these, put this one back in there. She has room in the top box now to lay eggs. Give them a little pile in here. They have some, but not much. Pick this box up, set it right here. Straighten these up a little. Queen's up here. We're going to give them a little bit of piling up there. Okay. And then we're going to put their feeder dish back on there. They're down here eating the pollen off the top. The baby's off there. Smoke is bad, people. Put the food in there. They need it. They got babies, they don't have very much storage in there. Put their feeder ring on there. Put them some flotation in there. Little girl down here with pollen, trying to find out where Mama is. Okay. Come on. And that's that. It's the Sam South Carolina half beef. We're going to write on it with a different marker this time. Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, let people know, share, and we'll see you next time. We'll strap this one down too. Bye.